each of the robots that we have, our mobile robots here, one by one, they're gonna come in front and show off a little bit. And then after we get through our line of mobile robots, I'm gonna go over and talk about our non-mobile robots. So once Couchbot back there goes, if y'all could clear a path so I could kind of introduce those robots as well, that would be great. Sound good? Everyone ready? Is everyone ready? Yeah! Okay, let's get started. First up, we have a BWI bot. Get it going, Corey. This is one of the fleet of BWI bots we have, which are custom-built robots for the Building-Wide Intelligence Project. You'll find them roaming the halls of the Anahis Gymnasium, practicing long-term deployments and even providing conversational guided tours of our Anahis Gymnasium. This is led by Corey Van Sice, and this robot comes from Dr. Peter Stone's Learning Agents Research Group and Dr. Justin Hart's Living with Robots Lab. Let's hear it for our BWI bot.
Woo!
Next up, we have a jackal. This is one of multiple jackals you'll see today. This jackal is a small wheeled robot from ClearPath Robotics that is used to research autonomous navigation. Led by William Ward, this jackal comes from the Center for Autonomy, Dr. David Fridovich Keels, and Dr. Ufuk Topku's lab. Let's hear it for Jackal. These next robots all come from Dr. Joydeep Biswas's Autonomous Mobile Robotics Laboratory. So first up, we have our Alpha Truck. Alpha Truck is a scale 1/5 autonomous vehicle used for high-speed navigation, as you can see, and also off-road navigation. This robot is led by Rahul Menon. Let's hear it for Alpha Truck. Next up, we have a Spot. Spot is a quadruped robot from Boston Dynamics that has been augmented with additional sensors to perform research on outdoor and terrain-aware navigation. This robot is led by Sabanam Modak. Let's hear it for our first Spot.
Woo!
Next up, we have another jackal. This jackal is a small robot from ClearPath Robotics, like I said, used to research robot perception and autonomous navigation. This robot is led by Amanda Adkins. Let's hear it for Jackal. The following robots that you're going to see come from Dr. Mitch Pryor's Nuclear and Applied Robotics group. These robots can be paired with Aubrey, which is an augmented reality system that lets you control the robots. Alf, this is Alf. Meet Alf. Alf is an armed Spot robot. As you can see, he's prepared for a rainy day. This robot comes from Boston Dynamics, and it's used for researching and searching for alpha radiation. This robot is led by Caleb Foran and friend. Let's hear it for Alf. Thank you, Alf.
Woo!
Okay, next up we have Scrat, right? So Scrat is a custom robot design that was fabricated in-house. That means the students and faculty and researchers at Texas Robotics made this robot from scratch.
Woo!
Scrat is a custom robot design, and it's used for omnidirectional movement. As you can see, it can move any way. This robot is led by Alex Navarro. Thank you. Okay, and then we have a jackal, another jackal. This jackal is a small ClearPath robot modified for terrain-aware localization, mapping, and autonomous movement. This robot is led by Fabian Parra. Let's hear it for Jackal. Thank you. Okay, and then we have Filbert. Filbert is a ClearPath Husky base used for Army Future Command's projects. This robot is led by Chris Suarez. Let's hear it for Filbert.
Woo!
Okay, so we have another Spot coming up. This Spot is led by Ryan Gupta. This Spot is from Dr. Luis Sintas' lab in the GCR project. We use Spot for projects in human-centered research and human factor studies, which focus on perceived safety in shared environments with the robot. Do y'all feel safe around Spot? He's our buddy, right? Let's hear it for Spot. Okay, now we have a couple of friends here. These are our Stampede robots, and these come from an undergraduate and graduate robotics organization on campus, IEEE ROS. If you're interested in joining IEEE ROS, you can visit our IEEE ROS friends and talk to them about them. The one with number 1 on it is Rob. Everyone meet Rob. Rob is a hero robot that competes in the Robo Master competition, where we hope it'll win this year. This robot is led by Nathan Diaz. Let's hear it for Rob. And then we have his best friend over here, Ash. Ash is a standard robot that competes in the Robo Master competition as well. And this robot is led by Arshan Sani. Thank you so much. Bye to the Stampede. Okay. And last but certainly not least, also led by IEEE ROS, we have the CouchBot. The CouchBot is a remote-controlled motorized couch. It's the most comfortable way to get around campus. This CouchBot is being ridden by Anthony Liu. Let's hear it for CouchBot.
Woo!
Okay, now I'm gonna squeeze through y'all, and we're gonna get a look at some of our non-mobile robots over here. So we're